Happy day to all. I am Rani Samyuta of grade 1. Now I am going to do my family tree. These are my family members. Now I am complete. I draw a family tree. Now I am going to stick my family members in the family tree. I am going to stick my father and mother. Now I am going to stick me and my brother. Now I am going to stick my grandfather and grandmother.